Sim racing is more like a general term, and e-racing especially refers to the Mercedes-AMG e-racing competition, which is run on Race Room. That's the competition that Tim Heinemann competed in for the last 3 years now.
Yes.
And he's won the competition twice.
Come on, Tim, what a star you are! So it's going to be double bubble then for Tim Heinemann, who takes the teams as well.
Oh my God, where's your prize?
So you are the champion of 2018. This is your applause. Come on, come on. Little bit, come with us, come with us. Also,
Tim Heinemann racing for real, which just proves what e-racing can do for you. Once the lights go from red to green, we will be away and racing side by side. This is Tim Heinemann. Tim Heinemann then puts himself up into that P5 position, doesn't he, getting past Cobalt?
Yeah, sorry, that was Cobalt. As we see, there's a move here, and that's it. Is Heinemann getting past Piana for third legs? He's done it.
Umzustehen war das Hauptziel für heute, das haben wir geschafft. Ich habe am Start leider ein bisschen überpaced, es wäre vielleicht sogar noch mehr drin gewesen, aber egal, Hauptsache umgestanden. Einfach die Last, die vor meinen Schultern fällt. Ich habe mir selber hohe Ziele gesetzt und ich weiß, worum es ging und einfach unglaublich, dass es jetzt geklappt hat.